Polish Kishu and new price predictions run from $0 to $20,000, according to market analysts. However, Kishu could reach $0 by 2025, which they think is a bad sign. The expected cost of a new market for Kishu in 2023 is $0 in 2013, he put out a new show. The first meme coin, the Dogecoin, was sent off in what seemed like a joke, but its market value in 2021 was worth more than $80 billion. If you think meme coins are a joke, you might be wrong. There are now more than 200 different picture tokens, and the market is just starting to take off. For example, the Dogecoin Kishu and U was made in 2021 by an unknown blockchain development group. The main goal of the Kishu and Nu project was to show blockchain innovations like NFTs and stateless money. Kishu and U achieved a hard-to-do task in the first month after its release. The project outperformed a $2 billion market capitalization with more than 100,000 holders for a memo. This was no small victory, and it shows how much help and power memecoins have gained in the crypto market. What is Kishu Nu? Kishu and Nu memecoin with a dog theme, it was made in the style of Dogecoin. The venture wants to make a better memecoin that will set the pace for the rise of more sophisticated memecoins. Kishu Nu is a project in the local area that counts on gifts. Kishu Nu is a decentralized exchange platform that is run by a local group of clients. It plans to make cutting-edge things like NFTs, decentralized money and cooperation rewards normal. The Kishu biological system is made up of four main parts: the Kishu token, Kishu token, Kishu token, and Kishu token. The Kishu tokens and EC20 image token encourage wide use and help move the project toward decentralization by giving awards that make it possible to use decentralized Kishu wallets. Kishu Trade is the autonomous trade of the environment. The trade lets Kishu holders trade with each other without much centralization. The Kishu trade is driven by Uniswap, which may be the biggest decentralized trade. It takes into account the trading of EC20 tokens with flexible uses as a mark of failure. Kishu Case. The Kishu container is the marketplace for the environment. Customers can trade their Kishu resources for NFT gifts made by craftsmen from the Kishu people group. Craftsmen can take part in local tasks that are voted on by the Kishu people group and add expressions about the Kishu case. The Kishu marking pool gives awards to successful specialists. Kishu paw print is an application item that keeps track of how Kishu tokens are used and how much they are used. The application rests on things like prizes and rewards that have to do with how Kishu is currently valued symbolically. Complete wallet balance, cost graphs, etc. to come after the Killing Kishu Loot is an online store that isn't owned by anyone and is run by a simple non-profit organization. Its deals and profits should be used to help Kishu and Nu Foundation project development programs and the organization of more value. The local cache of the Kishu and Nu project is the Kishu, which is an EC20 token based on the decentralized model of the Ethereum blockchain. In April 2021, Kishu and Nu teamed up with Some Life to vanquish the metaverse through a mix of Some Life's web and the Kishu blockchain. Active Neighborhood offers help through its big clients. In August 2021, Tiaravala.com, the world's largest crypto-friendly online travel platform, teamed up with Kishu and Nu. The company will allow Kishu customers and holders to book hotels, homes, and planes, as well as use any other services offered by Tiaravala.com in more than 2,200 countries. Kishu celebrated its most memorable anniversary with a huge company and a Bitcoin exchange that has one of the highest daily trading rates. The association saw the posting of Kishu and used true NFTs Kishu realm symbols on Biba. The association made Kishu the first memecoin to put a product on the Bybit NFT market center. Kishu has moved 16.03% so far, with a trading amount of $5,229,877. Using a mix of the overall strength record moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal, Kishu Inu is currently ranked 2,675 among all digital currencies and has a market capitalization of $0. Difference from the picture above, we can decide cost designs for Kishu and you to decide if it's going to be a good or bad year. Our cost expectation gauges use continuous information from Kishu and the new market, and all information is updated live on our website. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. He issued a new price expectation for 2023. From some points of view, Kishu and U is one of the most surprising cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The Kishu price forecast for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly all the way to $0. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but drops of more than $0 are not usual. The price is high, but if everyone works together and makes progress, it can be done sooner rather than later. Kishu is supposed to be worth nothing at first. He released a new value estimate for 2024. The Kishu and Kishu cost estimate has a lot of room for growth because many new groups and projects are likely to announce themselves. We think that the cost of Kish will soon be more than $0. Still, we should wait to see if the Kisa is good enough to use. Before putting down any positive signs, the general strength record has to come out of the oversold zone. Taking into account the instability of the market, bets on Kishu will be made with a starting exchange rate of $0. Usually, swapping money costs nothing. He gave a new value estimate for 2025. If the vertical trend continues until 2025, it could be worth nothing. Kish, you might make money, but if the market goes down, the goal might not be reached. Kishu is supposed to be worth $0 when traded. A low of no money in 2025, he gave a new price prediction for 2026. Assuming that Kishu and you work well together, the price of Kishu coins could stay the same for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, Kishu will be green in 2026. In 2026, Kishu is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high. In 2026, the value of virtual money will be $0, and it will cost $0 to make. Usually, it costs nothing. After looking at a lot of Guanjing and talking to experts, he set a new value estimate for 2027. The Kishu cost is expected to go over a normal value level of $0. 2027 with a starting price of $0 before the end of the year, other than